Okay, children. So let's see the next question. What does it says? An angle is 30 degree less than 2 times its supplement. Find the angles. Okay. Read it once again. What does it says? An angle is 30 degree less than 2 times its supplement. Okay. So look, how we'll solve this? Let the angle be x, right? Now, if the angle is x, then what it says? Two times its supplement. Okay, 2 times its supplement minus 30. Is it clear? Is it clear, children? What does it says? 2 times its supplement minus 30 degree. What is this? This is the angle. Am I clear, children? An angle is 30 degree less than 2 times its supplement. 2 times its supplement. Supplement means how much? 180 degree. So 180 minus x supplement equals to x. Okay. Now solve this. 360 minus 2x minus 30 equals to x. 2x will take that side, it will become plus. So 360 minus 30 is 330 equals to 2x plus x is 3x. 3 ones are 3, 110. Therefore, x equals to 110 degree. Am I clear, children? This is as simple as you think. Okay, nothing is there. Just you have to read the question and you have to solve it accordingly. Now, if what it says, find the angles. Okay, find the angles. One angle is 110 degree. Other angle will be 180 minus x. That means 180 minus 110 equals to 70 degree. You will write at the end, hence the two angles are 110 degree and 70 degree. Is it clear, children? Okay, children, see this next question. What it says, in the given figure, find the value of x. You have to find the value of x from this figure. Okay? So how we will find? Now see. Look, this question can be solved within 1 minute. Okay? I'll just tell you the concept or tell you the method. Look, x, this angle, okay? If you see clearly, let me use another marker. This angle, and this angle. Total is how much? If you see carefully, this total is a straight angle, right? So this angle, and this angle, summation will be how much? 180 degree, right? So value of this angle is given x plus 31. So we will write x plus 31 degree plus second angle x plus 20. X plus 20 degree plus x equals to how much? 180 degree. Am I clear? Simple, okay? Implies. Now again, children, remember 1 equals to is there, so we'll write it implies, okay? 1x, 2x, 3x, total 3x plus 31 degree plus 20 degree equals to how much? 51 degree. 51 degree equals to 180. Okay? 3x equals to 180 minus 51 is how much? 129. Right. Children, are you getting? Have you understood what I have done? Look, I have just simply added the 3, okay, and then I have made the summation equals to 180. Why? Because those are straight angle, right? Those are what? Straight angle. Just x plus 31, x plus 20 and x. Summation is 180 because all angle combines a supplementary angle. Okay. Now, 3x equals to 129. Therefore, x equals to 129 by 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. So x is how much? X is 43 degree. Fine. X is 43 degree. So we are just given find the value of x. That's it. Now if it is told to you that find the angles, then what you will do? Then you will write first angle CAB. Angle CAB equals to how much? 43 degree. Okay, angle DAC. DAC equals to 43 plus 20. That is 63 degree. Then angle BAE equals to how much? 43 plus 31. That is 74 degree. Clear? So these are the separate values. But this is not being told to you. You are just said to find the value of x. So your answer is still here. Is it clear to you, children? Have I made myself clear? Okay, children. See the last numerical which I am doing from your examples. Okay. Calculate the value of x from the given figure. Same type of question, but the diagram is a bit different. What it says? Calculate the value of x. Now, it looks complicated, but it's quite simple. Look how I am doing, okay? If you see carefully, x, 3x, 2x, 10, 4x, x degree, 3x degree, 2x degree, 10 degree and 4x degree, all of them are comprising one complete circle or complete angle, right? Now, can we write x plus 3x plus 2x plus 10 plus 4x equals to 360 degree? Tell me, children, yes or no? Can you write this? Because all of these are comprising a whole angle, right? And summation of whole angle is how much? 360 degree, complete angle. Okay. If this consists of whole 360 degree, then can we find the value of x from here? It will be as easy as one can, right? This is so easy. Now look, x, 3x and x is how much? 4x. 4x plus 2x is 6x. 6x plus 4x is 10x. Plus 10 equals to how much? 360. 10x equals to 360 minus 10. 350. 0, 0 cancel. Therefore, x equals to 35 degree. Look how simple it is. Children, have you seen how simple this numerical is? X is how much? X is just 35 degrees. So this is your answer. Nothing else is there. Now, if you are being told to find all the values, what you will do? You will just put the value of x on each and every angle. Like this angle will be how much? 35 degree. This will be 108 degree. Are you clear? How I am doing? Sorry, 105 degree. Okay. This angle will be 70 degree. This angle will be 10 given. This will be how much? 140 degree. Now, if you add all this, you will get 360. You want to see? Look, 35 plus 105 is how much? 140. So this total becomes 140. Okay. Plus 140 plus 70 is how much? 210. It becomes 210. 210 plus 20 is how much? 210 plus 10 is how much? 220. And 220 plus 140 is how much? 320. 220 plus 140 is how much? 360. That means this whole circle is complete, and hence our answer is also verified. Okay. So these are the examples which are based upon the lines and angles chapter, that is geometry. Okay. Go through all these examples carefully. After this, we will be solving the exercise. Okay. I hope it's clear to each and every one of you. Still it's unclear, you can ask me. Okay. Thank you, children.